Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, recently made a bold statement at the Computex 2024 keynote where he said, "The next wave of AI will be physical."
The next wave of AI is physical AI.
Now, what does he mean by AI being physical, and what is he trying to convey?
Nvidia was the belle of the ball. Today's gain was yet another record high.
The rate at which we're advancing computing is insane.
During his announcements, the CEO made 3 significant promises about the future of AI, underscoring the company's current capabilities and innovations. This includes not just theories or future plans, but practical demonstrations of what AI can do today. For instance, experts have boldly predicted that traditional employment could drastically change or even end within 3 to 5 years due to AI's impact. While some may view these predictions as overly dramatic, they highlight the potential for significant shifts in the workforce. You can watch this full video by clicking on the I button. Now, the main point for which you clicked on this video: why will the next wave of AI be physical? Before we dive deeper, it's worth mentioning that Nvidia is now the biggest company in the world, but it didn't start out on top. They've faced plenty of challenges and worked incredibly hard to get where they are today, surpassing all the other major players. So, when the CEO of Nvidia speaks, it's definitely something to pay attention to.
The next wave of AI is physical AI. AI that understands the laws of physics. AI that can work among us.
Yes, you heard it right. Physical AI means that AI will be able to interact with the physical world in ways that go beyond simple software applications. During his keynote, Jensen Huang demonstrated several examples of this next wave of AI. AI robotics. One notable example was an AI-powered robotic arm capable of delicate and precise movements, showcasing how AI can enhance precision and efficiency in manufacturing processes.
Physical AIs are models that can understand instructions and autonomously perform complex tasks in the real world. Multimodal LLMs are breakthroughs that enable robots to learn, perceive, and understand the world around them, and plan how they'll act. And from human demonstrations, robots can now learn the skills required to interact with the world using gross and fine motor skills.
Omniverse. Huang introduced Nvidia's Omniverse platform as the development environment for these physical AI systems. Omniverse is a development platform for virtual world simulation, combining real-time, physically based rendering, physics simulation, and generative AI technologies, he stated.
In Omniverse, robots can learn how to be robots. They learn how to autonomously manipulate objects with precision, such as grasping and handling objects, or navigate environments autonomously, finding optimal paths while avoiding obstacles and hazards. Learning in Omniverse minimizes the sim-to-real gap and maximizes the transfer of learned behavior. Building robots with generative physical AI requires 3 computers: Nvidia AI supercomputers to train the models, Nvidia Jetson Orin and next-generation Jetson Thor robotics supercomputer to run the models, and Nvidia Omniverse, where robots can learn and refine their skills in simulated worlds.
This learn-before-deployment approach ensures that AI systems are well prepared to handle real-world tasks, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency when these systems are finally deployed in physical settings. AI factories and the future of production. The keynote also highlighted how AI is set to revolutionize the manufacturing landscape. Huang described a future where factories are fully automated with AI at the core of operations. He said,
Everything is going to be robotic. All of the factories will be robotic. The factories will orchestrate robots, and those robots will be building products that are robotic. Robots interacting with robots, building products that are robotic.
This means everything from using AI to robots actually putting stuff together. This mix of automation and smart tech in manufacturing really shows how physical AI is making a big difference in industries. Now, let's see what new things we can expect to see in the future. We're likely to see smarter systems that can predict problems before they happen, and even more seamless integration of AI into everyday tasks. Well, what do you think? Is it good for our future? Share your views, and don't forget to watch these videos on your screen to stay updated.